Hi, welcome back to Home Power Journal. Today I'm going to be reviewing this Predator generator cord. It is a 10 gauge, 25 foot. It does have the NEMA L1430. Now that is for a 30 amp generator to your house or to your RV where you need to do. It says it's for use for Predator generators and other brands. So pretty much as long as you have this right connector on both ends, you'll be good to go. And so basically we're going to open this up here. Got it at Harbor Freight. It was $59.95 or 99, something like that. Let's see here, probably depends on where you're at, you know how much it's going to cost. So it's going to open this guy up. Got some more tape in here. Taped up pretty good. The box is pretty good, so pretty thick box. Like how it has a lot of stuff, features, stuff like that. Specifications. 4-core copper wire, weather guard, suitable for hard service. A bracelet resistant. Okay, let's see here. So it's kind of first thoughts about it. It's nice and it's a pretty thick cable. I like how it's kind of clear. It's kind of neat. See it's over there. So in case I guess you have kind of problems, you can see it. Oh, the wires broke right there. I don't know if it's. I don't think there's any lights or anything in there. It's this guy there. It's pretty heavy. It's a very good weight. But yeah. It's like one of them is bent a little bit, but it's not a problem. Just gonna put it back like that. So I'll get the box out here. But also, looks like it has a weatherproof cap on it. This is a part that that goes into your house or to your RV. So it's kind of cool that you can stretch it out and cap it off when you don't need it. And it's pretty cool. Tape up UL listings, all kind of danger electrical cord, all kind of stuff like that. But I think it's really thick cord. It's flexible. A lot of times you get big cords like this and they're not flexible at all. So, but there's something engraved on it. Harbor Freight Tools has a part number, and of course the box. I forgot to give you guys the part number for it. So this part number here is here somewhere. Oh, it's right here. It would be 62308, 250 volts, rated at 30 amps, max watts 7500 watts, 10 gauge insulated 600 volt standard. So far, got this for my channel that we're gonna start doing. We have a generator restore that we're gonna do, and right in the middle of that. So this is gonna be part of it, so we can hook into the house. But then also, to make sure and click to subscribe, and if you like it. And then also, soon gonna have a video on installing a generator box to the house, so we can plug into the panel. So that's gonna be coming up. And then also make sure to check back. I got a DeWalt, generator that we got for nothing, and we're gonna get it started. So in fact, I got some parts for that. We're gonna do a couple more reviews on that, like a battery and a carburetor kit, stuff like that. But pretty much, go ahead and check back. Thank you.